So this video we're going to look at contour mapping. So we'll be using the DEM we already have. So if you have survey point, fine. But we're going to be using the DEM we already downloaded from USGS and we've already clipped it. So we'll be using it so far. So you can search for contour directly. So I'll just bring up my desk, my keyboard tool, my keyboard on-screen keyboard, and search contour. So I'll click on OK. So let's check this out. Now contour is in spatial analysis and it's in surface. So if you want to locate it properly, you can just right click on it and you go to locate in catalog. So you see that under surface we have contour. So we're going to double click on contour and we will bring in our mina. So here the contour interval, let's say 50, and I also want to limit that to just the study area so that it does not exceed. Now if the earlier you learn to adapt to changing your environment to just do as you say or limit it to where you want, it's easier for you and makes your work more effortless. Alright, so click on OK and wait for our contour to be done. So we have our contour done. I think the 50 is, you can see quite a number of, well, I don't really know the way at which it's created, but I believe if we have reduced it, it will have more, but the 50 is okay. So we have our contour here. Now there are other things we could do because contour is not supposed to be very sharp. If you zoom well, you will see that it's sharp as it wants to injure someone. So you come back here and you search for smooth line. Smooth line is under cartography. So but you search for smooth line, so you see that it's under cartography, so you click on it and then we're going to bring in our contour. Then they're asking us to smooth, we ask it to do it in meters, and let's say you should smooth it by, let's say 15, and let's say okay, and let's see how 15 smoothing will look like. So now you see that instead of this sharp edge, it does it in another way. So basically you can do that until it convinces you on how you want it to be. And then next we are going to right click and go to properties, and then in these properties we're going to go to symbology, and then we'll go to categories and we're going to use unique values, and then we're going to change this to contour, and then we add all values. So it's going to add all the contour intervals, the contour values. So we have, these are the contour values that we have here. So with this we're going to, okay, I'm coming. All right, so with this, okay, added them with different variation of colors. All right, so I understand now. So we're going to right click and then we'll go to properties again, and then we're going to go to labels. Then we'll say label feature index, and then we'll change this to contour, and let's say 8, and then yeah, let's use this to 9, and then we also go to symbols, and here we go to edit symbols, and we will go to marks and say hollow, and then yeah, so let's leave it like this and press OK, and we change the color to a contour like kind of color, and then we OK. So once we OK, you see that it is like that, but then it's best where you put it on the line. So go to placement properties and say it should be on the line. Alright, so we click on OK and we have OK. So it's only going to be on the line for the contour, then it's also going to have that effect of this. Now why I bring this up is for us to right click and go to attribute table, and then we could use those tools we've learned before. Select by attribute, and let's say we say contour equal to get unique values, and we say we need contour of at 350, and we apply. It's going to select only contours that are with that excuse me, contour that are with 350. So with that, I can easily right click and make a selection. Let's say, can I click and then say under selection, say create layer from this, or make this, no, create layer from selected feature. So it will create a layer from that selected feature. So basically you can also do that for each one of them, and then you have that. You can do much analysis as you wish to do. So I hope this helped. So I will see you in the next video. So don't go anywhere, and then keep up the good work. I'll see you soon.